Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. This is Lynn, and in today's video, we're going to be making salted caramel sauce. It's simple and easy. Do y'all like the salted caramel sauce you put in your coffee to flavor it? Or do you like the caramel sauce to drizzle over apples? Well, come on, in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade caramel sauce. So let's get started. Okay, now let's go over the ingredients. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. So now let's get started on making our homemade caramel sauce. First thing you want to do is turn your heat on a low medium. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our cup of sugar to our pot. And I like to use a thick bottom pot. That way you don't take no chances of scorching your sugar. We're going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of sugar, our 1/4 cup of water, and our 1 tablespoon of white corn syrup. When we give out of this one, we're going to make some homemade corn syrup. If y'all would like to see that video, comment down below and let me know. And now you just want to start letting this come to a low heat and dissolve your sugar. Don't turn the heat up real high, just keep it on a medium low. And it won't take but just a few minutes for that sugar to dissolve. If y'all like this in your coffee, the caramel flavor, you're going to love this caramel sauce. Takes around a tablespoon and it makes the best cup of coffee. And it's good to drizzle over your fruit, or any other dessert would be good over it. Even cinnamon rolls with this caramel sauce over it, ooh, that would be good, y'all. And this is just another recipe that you can make and you no longer have to buy at the store. Use what you have and make it yourself. It'll save you money and time. It's starting to dissolve. Okay, this is smelling good, y'all. We're going to go ahead now, and I'm going to add my salt, my 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're just going to give that a mix. And now I'm going to add my butter. And now the butter's starting to melt. And you can see the sugar is starting to turn the caramel color. It's changing from a white to a light golden brown. Okay, while that's coming to the simmer, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put 2 tablespoons in our heavy cream to temper our heavy cream. We'll go ahead and put 3. And now we're just going to give it a slow mix, and I'm going to set it over here back to the other side out of my way. Now we're going to let it cool down some, and we're going to get ready to add our heavy whipping cream. And just give it a good mix. And once it cools, it's going to thicken up. But right now it's still hot. But see how it just dissolved that heavy cream into it? And oh y'all, I've got to confess, I tried it. It's delicious. Okay, we've took our sauce off of the heat and we're letting it cool. And then I'm going to place mine in this wide mouth mason jar. And then I'm going to show y'all what it looks like with a iced coffee. So let it cool for just a minute, and then we're going to transfer it into this mason jar, and I'm going to fix the cup of iced coffee and let y'all see this homemade salted caramel sauce. I'm going to go ahead now and try to get it in my jar. It's still a little hot, so it's not thickened up all the way yet. Even as it cools, it's going to thicken even more. So that recipe right there almost makes 1 pint, because this is a pint wide mouth jar. But look at how pretty that homemade caramel sauce is. Salted caramel sauce, because we added that teaspoon of salt. This is going to be a game changer for your cup of coffee in the morning times. It's cooling down. It's still not cool all the way, but I can't wait any longer, y'all. I'm going to make an iced coffee. To start with, I'm going to take my cup and I'm going to get me a little bit on my spoon and try not to make a mess. And we're going to drizzle the caramel sauce on the sides of the cup. And we'll put probably a good tablespoon in my cup of coffee. Okay, so there's our sauce and our coffee. And now I'm going to show y'all how you can use it over a top. So here's our iced coffee using our salted caramel sauce. Now let's drizzle it over an apple. And now we're going to put it over the top of our apples. That right there would make a great dessert, y'all. So this is just one more thing that you can make at home to save money. You don't have to buy it at the store. You can do it with what you got.